Hey everyone, welcome back to the humble Hamlin. Here, we focus on helping you and your family achieve better gut health, mental wellness, and a sustainable lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a unique way to support your gut microbiome, boost your mental health, and even save a bit of money along the way. We're talking about vertical gardening. Our gut microbiome is a collection of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system. These bacteria play a massive role in how we feel mentally and physically. When our gut is healthy, it supports our immune system, helps us manage stress, and even impacts our energy and mood. But did you know that the fresh herbs, fruits, and veggies we eat directly influence our gut microbiome? That's right. Eating a variety of fresh, nutrient-dense foods gives those good bacteria the fuel they need to thrive. But that can be tough with grocery costs and the time it takes to get high-quality produce. Here's where vertical gardens come in. Vertical gardening is a space-saving, efficient way to grow herbs, fruits, and veggies right at home, even if you don't have a backyard. You can set up a vertical garden in small spaces, like a balcony, or even a corner of your kitchen. Not only is it convenient, but it's also a fantastic way to bring fresh, organic produce into your family's diet without relying on store-bought options. When you grow your own food, you get fresh, nutrient-rich produce that nourishes your gut in ways that store-bought produce can't always match. Freshly picked foods are full of essential vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, all important for feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Studies have shown that a healthy gut can directly impact mental health, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Gardening itself, by the way, can be incredibly therapeutic. Research reveals that gardening can lower cortisol, our stress hormone, and increase endorphins, improving our overall mood. With food costs rising, starting a vertical garden can save you money in the long run. By growing your own herbs and veggies, you cut down on grocery expenses. Imagine the convenience and cost effectiveness of having produce right at home. Plus, this can encourage healthy eating habits, saving on medical bills over time as you take control of your health. So, whether you're looking to support your gut microbiome, improve your mental health, or save a little money, a vertical garden might be just what you need. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on new content to help you and your family thrive. Let us know in the comments if you're considering starting a vertical garden or if you already have one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on the Humble Hamlin.